In this video we will show how the Turing machine works. How the Turing machine looks like. That is a 5-tuple. Every item has a key row. Let's see them. The first is sigma, which is the tape alphabet. That is a finite set of symbols. The start and blank symbol always in sigma. The next one is Q, which is the finite set of states. Q cannot be the empty set. In these states we can store information which are important while we are reading the tape. The third element is the initial state, which is an element from Q. The fourth element is a subset of Q which contains the accepting states. If we get into the state which is in this subset, then the Turing machine accepts the input. Our last element is the delta transition function. The range of the interpretation of this function are the elements from the Descartes multiplication of Q and sigma. So these are sorted pairs where the first element is a state and the second one is a symbol from the tape. The set of values is the range of interpretation and 3 new characters. These are the left and right arrows and the state character. So the result is a sorted statement with 3 elements where the first 2 elements are from the same sets like at the interpretation, and the third one is a direction. This last one tells us how we need to move the head over the tape. We have 2 limitations for the transition function. We cannot write the start symbol, and from the start symbol we can only move to the right. So the Turing machine has a controller with the internal states, a tape with the symbols, and a read-write head. Let's see an example. We need to decide from a word whether it contains the character X or not. Sigma is the ABC with the start and blank symbols. We have 3 different types of states. Q0 indicates that we read a character which is not X. The F accepting state means that we read an X character, and W tells us that we have finished to read the input word and there is no X character in it. The transition function does not write anything into the tape, and instead of the X and blank character, that is always moved to the right. So we can start the algorithm. The first character is A, so we can continue. The next one is B, move to the left, to the right. We can do the same with P, Y, and with the A character again, while we find the blank character. This means that the input does not contain the X character.